Think of all the stories trapped in your head waiting to get out. This course will help you bring them to life. Meet Nick Hiatt. He has production art credits on franchises like Star Wars, Star Trek, Destiny, Mission Impossible, Cloverfield, and Game of Thrones. Plus, he runs his own studio. Yeah, this is the kind of hustle that you're going to want to learn from. Nick creates sequence illustrations using 3D. He lays out sets, builds characters, and designs lighting, all in a persistent world, so he can endlessly photograph his stories using any angle or pose he chooses. And in this brand new Learn Squared course, he's going to show you how to take a scene literally from the page and make it feel like a living, breathing world. You'll cover subjects like designing your characters.
DAZ is a great asset to really kick things off and get you running quickly. And then I can always tweak in Paint, tweak in 3D, whichever one you prefer.
Quickly laying out sets.
One of my favorite things in 3D space with assets is it's kind of like building a little sandbox when you were a little kid. It's a great tool to add to your arsenal.
Then rendering and adding post effects to your scene.
I love me some steam coming up from vents in the cities. It's just an awesome little touch. So we're gonna try and add a little bit of that in our piece here.
This course covers a wide range of creative workflows, and you'll emerge on the other end able to deliver compelling imagery for any production environment. And because this training was built from the ground up to include everyone, you can follow along no matter your skill level or chosen tools. Sign up today and begin your journey at learnsquared.com.